Hi, everybody. Again, welcome week 4. Wow, we're motoring along. I hope in the last 3 weeks you've become acclimated in what we're doing here. And if there's ever any questions, reach out. The quizzes have been graded. I will finish up the grading in the next couple of days in the queue, and everything will be graded. So around Tuesday, I'm going to set a deadline for myself, Tuesday night, to have everything done. And if there's any discrepancies or if you need to do something over, just shoot me an email. So this week, as we click on week 4, the last week of September, and Patriots are completely out of the playoff picture now. The schedule this week is we're going to be doing 3 things. The discussion, right, based on the magazine questions and the idea of these books, magazines, and newspapers being a huge part of mass communications, not so much anymore. Although I, as you can see, still love books. I read magazines, yes. I read a newspaper every morning, gets delivered to my house. Thank you, Boston Globe. Thank you, Worcester Telegram. Sometimes thank you, Los Angeles Times, New York Times are on my computer. I still say the access to these stories and what's going on in the world and in local news is my favorite way is to open up a newspaper and not listen to television in the morning to get my news. Although it could be old news, but that's besides the point, or maybe it is the point. So these questions, these reader response questions, you don't have to answer them in essay form. You can just answer them straight numbering the questions, right? They're based on the textbook. I know there's a lot of reading. A couple of you mentioned that. But I think in introduction classes, you're going to see a lot more reading than when you work yourself up to the upper communications, because it'll be more hands-on. Unfortunately, the task of introducing you to mass communications, hence the name of the course, is to have you read a wide variety of what we call the umbrella of mass communications. And so once you move up to specialized courses, I think the reading load will go down. Many of you did great on the quiz. There'll be multiple choice quiz. It might be changed up a little bit, but the essential question, the way they're set up won't change. Okay, there's also a quiz, because every 2 weeks there's a quiz, and this quiz will be on the books, magazine, and newspaper chapter. You don't see it here because it's not officially open till Wednesday, and then you'll have till Sunday night to do it. It's the same quiz that you already took. Well, not the same quiz, but the same format. And so a discussion, a quiz, right, and a reader response on magazines. So 3 things due this week. Please let me know if I can help you. And I hope that so far you are getting the anxiety of this online class is leaving you, and you know what to do on a weekly basis is to just check on these, right? Okay.